Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try this question yourself, please pause the video now. If you got the answer A, congratulations. And if you want to see my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So, the question is, which graph shows how power dissipated, P, varies with current I in a component that obeys Ohm's law? So I'm going to explain this one. Firstly, how to find the answer, and then secondly, why another answer is incorrect. So really simply, if you looked on your data sheet, you would see that power is equal to current squared multiplied by resistance. And we're talking about a component, doesn't say about the component changing, so we're going to assume that the resistance stays the same within that component. So power is directly proportional to I squared. Answer A. A lot of you, though, might have thought that I could use the equation power equals potential difference multiplied by current. And you can use that equation, but you have to think, how would I increase the current through a component? And if I doubled the current, the only way I can double the current through a component is if I double the potential difference across it, again, assuming it obeys Ohm's law. So I could use this equation as long as I realized that not only do I need to double the current, but I also need to double the potential difference, or as the current doubles, the potential difference will double. In which case, the potential difference, the power will quadruple. So, I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and leave a comment below, and I hope you'll watch more in the series.